Right, another day, another walk. Mangatarem, Bolinao, Lengayen. You ready? Watch out. Just reach San Clemente, or in English,
St. Clementine.
St. Clementine. We just left Central Luzond, and now we're entering Ilocos Region, Pangasinan. That's the name. Sick. You look like Jesus. So cute. Stop at Carinderia for a bit to have breakfast. We are now in Pangasinan, Mangatarem, I think. That was our first Ilocos cuisine, which to be fair is good.
For anyone watching in the UK that wonders why you should wash your rice, this is how it's dry on the road with the traffic.
So after 23 kilometers of walking, we found a place to stay. This is called Mayeira's private pool resort, and they let us camp our hammocks for 400 pesos, which is really good deal. And also the caretakers here, Marlyn and his uncle, were very lovely and very kind. We almost cried because they just gave us a bottle of Sprite and then snacks, cracker snacks. They over asked for dinner as well. And I do recommend this place if you're coming to the Gupan or Tarlac. Want to have a stopover, have a nice view of the hill from here. This is a place, and that's their pond. You can go fishing there as well. They have karaoke here, private pool here. It's good for family reunions and stuff, for gatherings. See ya. So this is the view outside their compound. Very beautiful rice field. And this is the swimming pool area. No water yet because they're cleaning it. So, but they're starting to fill up. And this is going to be our night for tonight. Yeah, we're so happy. Thank you sa dinner, Ate Marlyn. Oh my god. Ilocano dish. Amazing food. Amazing Ilocano food from Ate.